Now we will do try these of page number 110. So its first try these is that is L parallel to M. Is these two lines are parallel? Why? You have to give reason that why these two lines are parallel. Now angles are given to us and we have to find that is these two lines are parallel. Write like that and firstly draw the figure. Now what will you do? When you draw this figure, just consider this one angle as angle 1 and this one angle as angle 2. Just give a naming to it to find L parallel to M. Now we can say that two lines are parallel if the angles given by these two lines having any relation or generate any relation with each other, like or satisfying any property. Like yes, you can say L is parallel to M. Why? Because angle 1 and angle 2 both are 50 degree 50 degree. And is there any relation between these two angles? Yes, they are alternate interior angles. So thus you can say that two lines are parallel if the given angles by them having any or generating any relation with each other. Okay, so it can be any one. It can be alternate interior angle. It can be vertical opposite angle. Vertical to not possible, I think. It can be co-interior angle. It can be alternate exterior angle. It can be co-exterior angle. Okay. So as you have seen first one, so you can say that these two lines are parallel. Why? Because this one angle is lying on this one side and this one angle is lying on M. And they are equal of measure. So they're equal measure and they are satisfied the property alternate interior angle. So thus you can say that these two lines are parallel. Now question number 2 is L is parallel to M. Is you have to find that these two lines parallel or not. Why? Same, you will draw firstly the figure and then now as you can see that this one angle is here and this one angle is outside the given lines. And there is not a single relation between these two. Why? Because we haven't that type of, it is not satisfying any type of property of the angle made by the transversal line. So what should we do? Now we have to generate a relation between these two. How? Now you can draw angle 1 here. I have drawn it here. You can also draw it here, angle 1. Then you can generate relation between these two angles and then these two. I generate this one angle 1 here. Okay. Now, is there any relation between these two? Yes. They are on same side of the transversal line and in the same direction. So, they are forming corresponding angles. So, to understand that what is corresponding angles, you have to take the revision of basic concepts of this exercise. Now, angle 1 and angle 50 degree are equal because corresponding angles are also equal. How they are equal? By corresponding angles. Now, is there any relation between these two? Angle 1 and 30 degree, 130 degree? Yes. Angle 1 plus 130 degree are on the straight line and adjacent to each other. So, they must be forming linear pair or their sum must be 180 degree. So, as you can see, that means if their sum is you gave as 180 degree, then only you can say these two lines are parallel. Okay. Why? Because this one angle 1 we have formed from here, that is 50 degree. Now, if their sum 50 and 130 is 180, only then you can say these two lines are parallel. Relation generated now. This one angle you have find from this one. That means this one angle here. And when you add it, you will get, what will you get? Angle 1 plus 130 is equal to 180 degree. It must be, their sum must be 180 degree. If 30, left hand side I have taken angle 1 value is 50 degree. So 50 plus 130, it will come 180. 180 is equal to 180, that is right hand side. So thus, yes, L is parallel to M. Now this is your homework, that do try these of page number 109, question number 2, 3 and 5, and try these of page number 110, question number 3 in your notebook or register.